Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's take a look at what's inside. Well, if I can get the scissors off my hands, we will have it made. Oh my goodness. Stuff, and more stuff. Oh, let's get rid of that. Alright, so we have 2 stamped cross stitches. And this comes from DIY Digital Art. And we'll just start at the top and work our way down. Let's see, which do I want to do? Oh, it's like 6 of one, half dozen of another. We're just going to start with this one. It's a 45 by 60. And it looks like $13. So it comes in a bag. It looks like they hang like this. But, little secret, you can open from the bottom. Alright, let's get that out of our way. And you saw a picture on the front page, but this is one of the desert scenery. I thought this was stunning. Stunning. It's an 11 count, and it has 40 colors, y'all. 40 colors. Big paper pattern. Let's take a look and see what we have. It has the product number, 45 by 60 here. And at the bottom, it is 233 by 168. If I could just talk today, my throat is just seeming to go. But I'm looking to see if there's any blotching. I don't see any at all. Very good. Very nice. Very easy to read. I thought this was just... the colors and all those blooms, or blossoms, whatever you call it. I guess they're blooms. I don't know what you call it when it's a desert flower, so that'd be a bloom, right? Oh my goodness, let's look at all these colors. We have 154, which is the mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 321, which is a red. Anything else? No, 550 purple. We do have 666 red. We have 823, which is a dark blue. No 939. No 3371. We do have 3770, which is the other white, and it's kind of a cream color. 3866, no 3865. So I can't tell too much on how confetti this will be, but there's a lot of detail in this, so I'm expecting it to be very well done. I can hardly wait to start this already just by looking at the paper pattern, but you know this girl, gotta have it, gotta do it. So we have instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to do the cross stitch. So that's very nice that they include that for people that have never done cross stitch before. Does come with a toolkit, and we have La Papillon, a butterfly. Barely see that butterfly. What can I say? I don't have anything dark I could even put behind it. Maybe. No, well, it kind of shows up. Anyway, 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Does come with its own bag of thread. It's all packaged up very nicely. It's a 45 by 60, and it does have the same product number as the paper pattern and the canvas. Paper pattern and canvas will match symbol for symbol. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. I'm so excited. Whoop, let's get rid of that baggie. We don't need that anymore. This is going to need its own bag. I can see that coming. So we have 3 skeins. So there is the 3770. It looks like pale butter. We have 814, which is a brick red. And probably 310 black. 310 black. Yep. One skein of that. So that's 40 strands for each one of those. Let's take a look at the threads. Got to give it a little shake, shake. Get everybody going in the right direction. So this number here is 3866. It's not 65, so it's 3866. Close enough to white, but it does have kind of a yellow tone to it. Beautiful purples and oranges. Yeah, I expect some really good colors from this. Just stunning, stunning, stunning. Beautiful. Gorgeous. This is 321. This is 310 black right here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. I love this picture, and I'm not a desert person. I'm not a cactus person, but when I saw all the colors of all these blooms, it was just magnificent altogether. It was just beautiful. And I was so very happy that it was an 11 count. Yeah. Thrilled sick, but that is a wad of threads. But gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Let's take a look at that canvas now. It is serged all the way around. Oh my goodness. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's 168 squares this way and 233 up and down. It does have the stitching into the numbers, but your paper pattern matches if you need to see those DMC numbers. The symbols are not affected. So very nice, nicely done. I'm gonna just flip it wide open. So you do have some big areas. That 5 is your 310 black, but bigger areas to stitch. The confetti is not real close together is what I'm trying to get at. Now, it might be different in the backgrounds, but it does have larger areas. So we'll see how this gets done. It's a 59.5. It is 59.5 centimeters this way, or almost 23.5 inches by, we're getting there. We are getting there. 44, a little over 44 centimeters, or 17.5. Actual picture size is 15.5 inches, or a little over 38 centimeters that way. And it is 21 inches this way, or 53.5. But very nicely printed. I don't see any smudges or smears. Nothing like that. Very nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Yep. Drooling again. Sorry. Alright, so now we have another one in a bag. And this one is a 45 by 45. It was $9.26. It comes in that hanging bag this time. Let's pull it out here. So, we have a paper pattern. It has the product number and how big it is here, how many squares per square. It's 168 by 168, and it has 28 colors. And, oh, it'd probably help if I show you the picture, huh? I'm just too cool for school this week, I am telling you people. It is the pumpkin, and it looks... at first glance, you want to say it's stained glass, but it's not that way. It's just the colors. But this is one that I can start for my autumn Saturday. Yeah, so we're going to save this for Saturday to start. Let's take a look at the colors. We have no 310 black. Let's see. We do have some 666 red. We have 939. And no 3865 or 3371. We do have 3770, which is that buttery color yellow for the white. Now, there may be other whites in there, but that's just one that stands out. But I was going to tell you the paper pattern is perfectly printed. I don't see any smudges or smears. Now, they do have others that are like this. They might have a house, or they might have a pumpkin and a cat or something. But there's like 5 or 6 of these like this. I'm not feeling compelled to gain them all, but just telling you. So in case you're interested, go for it. Does come with a tool kit, and we have the jaguar, or leopard, I'm sorry. 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. My chi is just off this week, I'm telling you. That's what I call it when I can't get my act together for nothing. Does come with paper pattern, or paper instructions, and how to start, how to finish, just like the last one. The threads are all in here, and it does say 45 by 45. Product number, paper pattern, and canvas all match this number here. And the stitching, on the stitching part, the symbols will all match the paper pattern. So, they're the same, unlike a Joy Sunday. Joy Sunday is now having its own set of colors and symbols, but at least they're printing them now on the paper pattern. So let's see what beautiful, gorgeous colors we got here. Oh yeah, we got 3 skeins of 939. You knew that was coming, right? So that is definitely what they're using as the dark color in this. Not necessarily black. Look at that turquoise. 3765 is the number for this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's kind of a cross between a teal and a turquoise. Yeah, beautiful. Let's take a look at the rest of the colors. I'm glad it's only a 45 by 45. You know, when they show the picture on the site, it looks way bigger. And sometimes I can't put those numbers to sizes. I usually get like a 45 by 45, maybe something in 65. But yeah, I like this 45 by 45. Look at all those beautiful, yummy colors. We have golds, oranges. We have some like burgundy color red. Look at that rust brownish. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. See, now there's another light color. I'm not sure which one that is, but this one right here is 3770. But look at the turquoises. Just stunning. Yummy colors. Saturday, look for this as a start on my autumn Saturday. Just beautiful. Can you ever? I don't know if I can hold off till Saturday. What can I know it's tomorrow. What can I say? What can I say? Okay, the canvas is serged all the way around. Product number, how big it is. How many squares per square. Looks like a very nice key. This is printed very well. Very easy to see. And what I was going to say is the serging goes into the numbers, but it's on your paper pattern. Paper pattern is perfect this time. But it's nice and square. There is a lot of that 939 in here. It's just going to make all those other beautiful colors just jump right out of that canvas. It is just, can you ever? Let's take a look. 45 centimeters that way. and 44 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is almost 15 inches or 38 centimeters that way. It is about 15 and a quarter and a little over 38 and a half centimeters that way. So 15 and a quarter inches. So yeah, but this looks very easy to stitch. This would be a good one for somebody that has never stitched before. It has a nominal amount of colors and nominal amount of, what do you call them, symbols. So it's very easy to follow. You have some nice big areas where you can practice your stitching, but I would recommend this to a newbie any day. There's no back stitching, there's no French knots, there's nothing to get you off track. It's just cross stitch. And that's what I love about these kits. I really, really do. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can you ever? All right, DIY Digital Art has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of those. They also do beaded cross stitch and embroidery. Now the beaded cross stitch is nominal. It's usually the little keychain things. I have yet to see any store carry like a full page picture done in beaded cross stitch ever. Since I've been doing this, I should say. Mostly I find those on AliExpress. But the keychains are very nice. Kits are very nice and easy to use. And I believe they're on plastic canvas. So yeah, I have 3 or 4 of them going somewhere out here in this. Yeah. So if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it will be in the description box below. Thank you, DIY Digital Art, for sending me these 2 beautiful, stunning kits, one of which will start today. It'll be later on, or about 1 o'clock. So do check in for that. And I think that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.